The month of October is almost here, and we have some news that might have your portfolios going greener than a ridiculously charged Tesla Model S come along as we uncover the catalysts, the secrets, and the in-depth information on the developments that will make October the month that investors in Tesla stock look forward to. Don't pass up this thrilling journey to monetary achievement. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We've got all the information you need right here. Greetings and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's get this video started. Recently, there has been an increasing amount of mystery and conjecture around the stock market. A few months ago, observers of the market appeared to nod collectively, indicating that the available evidence was beginning to make increasing sense. In light of the fact that we are currently navigating the treacherous seas of a late cycle scenario, investors are being cautious. The previous year has been filled with uncertainty. Some people wrongly believed that there would be a recession in the first half of this year, while others held out hope for a more gentle landing for the economy in the next year. Unfortunately, last summer's optimism may have been a little too early and expensive. Consequently, we have seen investors being jostled by market fluctuations. Upon closer scrutiny, several sectors, most notably consumer stocks, are collapsing, despite the fact that the overall market averages may have only dropped by 4 to 5%. The emotion we talked about off camera, which suggests that middle-class to lower-class consumer savings are diminishing, is reflected in this decline and is now also affecting upper tiers of consumers. The student loan moratorium is another unpredictability that looms large in the background and has the potential to influence the economy's course in the coming quarter. Better news, thanks to Tesla, the electric vehicle market has taken off, elevating electric automobiles from curiosity to highly sought-after possession. Nonetheless, experts predict that Tesla's explosive rise will slow down as the sector develops. It begs the question, will Tesla's upward trajectory continue? What plans do they have in place to guarantee continued growth? Without a question, Tesla is kicking it up a notch with its ambitious objectives, cutting-edge models, production capability, and innovative battery technology. There is no denying the excitement surrounding Tesla, but as competition grows, there are hints of skepticism. Many people are worried about Tesla's ability to meet the increasing demand or hold onto its top spot. Dispelling or validating these rumors, today's talk will go in-depth on Tesla's strategies to maintain its stock's high growth and the rationale behind its anticipated stock rise in the upcoming months, particularly in light of the difficult financial environment they've survived. Let's jump right into the hottest subjects of the day, with Tesla taking center stage. It's interesting to note that Deutsche Bank has shifted from a $1,300 price objective to $285 in relation to Tesla. Concerns about Tesla possibly missing its Q3 delivery and production targets have been raised by analyst Emmanuel Rosner. The bank also highlights a possible negative in Tesla's growth and earnings estimates for 2024. Given his market power, Rosner's study is especially noteworthy since it suggests that Tesla may be changing its approach and may not be continuing to grow its businesses in Austin and Berlin. It's critical to comprehend why specific industries, particularly consumer equities, are suffering the most amid the market's turbulent waves. The shifting global economic environment is wearing thin on consumers, who are typically thought of as the engine of the economy. Their diminishing savings are more than simply figures on a chart. They speak to a larger story of financial hardship and the ensuing reduction in expenditure. This pattern presents a complex picture of the impending economic season, especially in light of the uncertainties surrounding the student loan moratorium. Will consumers make a comeback or become even more frugal with their money? On the other hand, Tesla seems to be a shining example of creativity during these difficult times. Their daring actions in the EV sector have upended conventional automotive paradigms and established the benchmark for what electric mobility ought to entail. But enormous success also brings much more scrutiny. The fact that investors, market experts, and even ordinary bystanders are intently following Tesla's every move, whether it's production goals or expansion strategies, underlines the brand's enormous influence on the market. Growing, one must wonder how Tesla will develop going forward to keep its advantage. The recent downward reduction of Tesla's price objective by Deutsche Bank is just one of many signs that there may be some challenges ahead. Analyst forecasts such as Rosner's act as both guides and warning signs when markets change. Potential choices made by Tesla, like reevaluating growth in Austin and Berlin, are not just business moves, rather, they are a reflection of bigger changes in the manufacturing sector, customer preferences, and the state of the global economy. Stakeholders from around the industry will be watching this captivating story with interest, curious to see how Tesla handles these unfamiliar waters. More turns and turns, as well as priceless insights for market enthusiasts, are promised in the upcoming chapters. According to a new analysis, Tesla may anticipate that its 2024 deliveries would not live up to expectations. The bright side is that Tesla may be able to ease some pricing pressure if it doesn't push volume too much. This might therefore increase Tesla's widely monitored vehicle gross margins, suggesting that future increases are possible. Have you ever thought of making a big bet on electric vehicles while keeping a close eye on Tesla? If so, you may find Ross Gerber's ideas to be instructive. Known for being a stock price expert, particularly when it comes to Tesla, he and many industry analysts think that investing in EVs and, consequently, Tesla might be the game changer of the next 10 years. Tesla is leading the electric revolution, which is being enthusiastically embraced by all. After all, guess who's leading the pack in the clean energy marathon? It is, in fact, Tesla. Talk of possible setbacks in Tesla's planned ambitious entry into Mexico has been rife. Although some people consider it unimportant, there might be medium-term effects on Tesla's growth trajectory. Mexico is a key location in Tesla's broader strategy, which is all about opening up new vistas. Any hiccups or delays could halt their fast-paced goals and potentially weaken their position in this expanding sector. But this shouldn't keep people up at night if they have a long-term goal. Are you curious as to why? Let's investigate further. Examining Tesla's growth map in detail is quite fascinating. They're getting ready for the world premiere of the Model 2, a portable phenomenon. What's the buzz about? With this car, people who have been waiting impatiently for a Tesla that isn't too expensive will finally be able to realize their dream of owning one. In the most recent Tesla investor conference, the company's visionary CEO, Elon Musk, alluded to cutting production costs in half. The trade secret: updated production processes and the new car platform that will be released from the Gigafactory in Mexico. The goal is to produce automobiles under $30,000 that can compete with more established gasoline-powered models, such as the Toyota Corolla. This is a portal that opens up the electric world to a larger audience than just changing the game. Lars Moravy, Vice President of Vehicle Engineering at Tesla, provided more context by highlighting the significance of scale. He explained that lower manufacturing costs are a natural consequence of increased production volumes. He underlined that this tactical strategy, together with cutting-edge EV platforms, is essential to Tesla's goals of reaching long-term production milestones. Every new Tesla model offers features beyond merely innovation and technology. A strong sense of aspiration permeates the atmosphere, reflecting the worldwide zeitgeist centered around sustainability. It should come as no surprise that the electric vehicle market has experienced unparalleled expansion, with Tesla frequently leading this development. Did you know that Tesla is experimenting with renewable energy sources in addition to automobiles? In an effort to create a cleaner grid, their solar roof and Powerwall technologies are revolutionizing how homes use and store energy. The company's achievements in solar energy, along with its skill with EVs, provide a comprehensive image of a future in which our cars and homes coexist in a sustainable ecology. The effects of Tesla's innovations are far-reaching. The demand for effective, environmentally friendly transportation grows as cities get denser. Tesla's advancements in battery technology have the potential to revolutionize public transportation and change the air we breathe as well as cityscapes in the future. It is impossible to talk about Tesla's accomplishments without bringing up Elon Musk, the mysterious man who founded the company. Sustainable development, exploration, and pushing the envelope of what is conceivable are prevalent themes among Musk's endeavors, which include SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. Tesla appears to be headed straight for the stars under Musk's leadership. But difficulties always accompany any success story. Both established manufacturers and recent arrivals are fighting for a larger share of the EV market, which is seeing increased competition. In the upcoming years, how Tesla negotiates this congested market while upholding its innovation first philosophy will be critical. Furthermore, it will be crucial for Tesla to comprehend and serve a variety of markets as it grows internationally. Tesla's global voyage is as much a cultural inquiry as it is a corporate expansion, involving everything from navigating diverse legal regimes to comprehending unique consumer patterns. There is more to Tesla's quest than just selling electric cars. It's a movement, a kind of revolution, with the goal of redefining how people think about energy and transportation in general. With so much ahead of us, we can only eagerly anticipate where Tesla's incredible adventure will lead us. Tesla has, in many respects, evolved into a phenomenon that is not only an automotive or tech company. Beyond their advantages for the environment, Tesla vehicles have come to symbolize a particular status. They're stylish, inventive, and frequently the talk of the party. For many, they represent optimism that luxury and environmental conscience can coexist together. Automotive education is likewise being reshaped by their influence. The next generation of engineers and designers is being prepared for an electric future by the introduction of electric vehicle courses at an increasing number of colleges and technical institutes. It's likely that decades of vehicle engineering and design will be influenced by Tesla's inventions. However, there are obstacles in the way of its expansion. The chain of distribution for electric cars is severely strained, especially when it comes to the precious metals needed to make batteries. One of the challenges Tesla and other electric automakers confront is securing materials that are consistently sourced responsibly. The need for these materials will rise along with the global demand for EVs. Tesla's supply chain strategy will play a critical role in both its success and, more crucially, the reputation of its brand. In addition, the world market is enormous and varied. Road conditions, rules, and preferences vary by area. Tesla's capacity to adapt will be put to the test when it comes to designing cars that meet the varied needs of consumers around the world, from the busy streets of Mumbai to the wide highways of North America. Furthermore, the field of driverless vehicles and Tesla's autopilot technology continue to be exciting frontiers. Although technology is developing at a rapid rate, there are still many ethical, legal, and safety concerns. Tesla's standing in the market will be greatly impacted by how it negotiates this maze. Opportunities and obstacles abound for Tesla on its path forward, but past performance shows that the business is resilient and driven to transform the automotive industry. As we follow along on this voyage, we may be seeing more than simply the development of a business. We might be seeing a turning point in the history of the automobile. There you have it, gentlemen. We've dug deep into what makes Tesla the titan it is today, from its game-changing production tactics and breakthrough 4680 cells to the cultural shift towards electric vehicles and the difficulties of worldwide expansion. The company's path is about more than just electric automobiles. It's about resilience, creativity, and the hope for a sustainable future. However, we would love to hear from you as always. In the next 10 years, how do you envisage Tesla's growth? Will the difficulties with supply trump the need for EVs? Most importantly, how do you think the transition to electric cars will affect our roads and cities? This community is lively and knowledgeable because of your viewpoints and observations. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button to receive future updates from Tesla Stock News. We'll see you in our upcoming videos.